What are you doing out here today?
I'm waiting to jump 3 hours so far.
All right, well, we're almost there. Nervous, excited? How you feeling about this?
A day before.
Okay, so you kind of know what you're getting into today. Who all do you have out here to jump?
My wife.
Awesome. So a nice crew to jump with. We're gonna hang out there in a few minutes. Anything you want to say to those back home watching the video before we jump?
Everything's fine.
See you out there. Have fun. Can I give you a hand on up, Jim?
Yeah, let's help.
Yeah.
Up here.
Let me get both hands.
I got it.
So, what do you think of that jump? Number two, number three? Have a good time up there?
That was a good one.
Hey, thanks for coming to Skydive DeLand. We look forward to seeing you here hopefully for another one. Woo!